In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time in Ctrader. Whether you're on the desktop app or using the web version, the workflow is very similar, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to choose the time zone that best supports your trading. Start by opening Ctrader on your computer or in your browser and let it fully load. Make sure you're connected to your broker so the platform can pull in live or recent data. Once you're in, bring up the specific chart you want to adjust. You can select it from your watch list or open a new chart for the symbol you're analyzing. It's helpful to know that time settings are typically applied per chart, so you'll change the view for the chart you have active. Next, access the chart's properties. The quickest way is to right-click directly on the chart area and choose Properties, or use the chart's settings or gear icon if you see one on the toolbar. Inside Properties, look for a section labelled General or a tab labelled Time. The exact label can vary slightly depending on the version, but it will be the area that controls how the chart's time is displayed. In that section, locate the Time Zone options. This is where you choose how the platform timestamps your bars and candles. Common choices include your broker or server time, UTC, or your computer's local time. Broker time is useful if you want your chart aligned with how your broker defines the trading day. UTC is a consistent reference that avoids daylight saving shifts across regions. Local time is convenient if you prefer to match the chart to your own clock. Some versions may also offer a custom offset if you need a specific time zone alignment. Pick the option that best fits your workflow. For example, day traders who plan around their own schedule often prefer local, while those comparing charts across different brokers may choose UTC for consistency. If you follow your broker's session boundaries, server or broker time is usually the most straightforward. Remember, changing the time zone doesn't alter price data. It only changes how time is labelled on the x-axis and where session separators appear. Once you've made your selection, confirm it by clicking OK or Apply. You should see the chart update immediately. Take a quick look at the time along the bottom axis and any session markers to ensure they line up with your expectations. If you work with multiple charts, repeat the same adjustment for each one so everything stays consistent. And if you use the same layout regularly, consider saving your chart as a template later so your preferred time setting is easy to reuse.